Let's be honest, you'll probably never have a professor who lets you cite articles from Wikipedia. However, if you're strategic, you may be closer than you think to great sources. Let's start by searching on the topic of video games. As you type in the search box, Wikipedia will suggest related articles. Here you'll see video game addiction, video game controversies, and more. If they seem interesting, write them down for later searching. This is a great way to explore potential paper topics. In the article itself, you will find great basic background information. After learning a little more about your topic, you'll want to scroll to the bottom of the page where the really good stuff can be found. Common headings you'll want to look for are Notes, References, and Bibliography. These should include numerous hyperlinks to content around the web. And the exciting part? Much of it you can cite in your final paper. Note that some of the material you find will be in subscription-based platforms. Do not be tempted to pay for these. As a student at the university, you likely have access already. Simply copy the title, navigate over to the library homepage, and paste it in the main search bar. Most times, this will take you to the full text of the article. Also remember, any content that you don't find access to can still be requested from the library. This is known as interlibrary loan.